Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how much magnesium glycinate to take. Magnesium is a vital mineral, and the glycinate form is known for being highly absorbable and gentle on your stomach, reducing common digestive upset. It's often chosen for its calming effects, helping with muscle relaxation, improving sleep quality, and managing stress. For most adults, the recommended daily intake of magnesium from all sources, including supplements, ranges from 310 to 420 milligrams. Finding your ideal magnesium glycinate dose is a personal journey. It's best to start with a lower dosage and slowly increase it over time, observing how your body responds. Always consult a doctor or healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Taking your magnesium glycinate with a meal can also help reduce the likelihood of any digestive discomfort, making it easier on your system. While magnesium glycinate is generally well tolerated, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Mild issues can include nausea, abdominal cramps, or diarrhea. However, taking very high doses might lead to more serious concerns, such as muscle weakness, extreme low blood pressure, or even irregular heartbeats. Additionally, magnesium supplements can interact with certain medications, including some antibiotics and thyroid drugs, so always discuss your supplements with your doctor. The best time to take magnesium glycinate often depends on your personal goals. Many individuals find that taking it in the evening, perhaps 1 hour before bed, helps promote a more restful night's sleep. However, you can also take a single dose in the morning or divide your total daily intake into multiple doses throughout the day, whatever fits your routine best. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.